Today we in Dallas looking for a Mercedes. Well, heading to check on a Mercedes, I'll say. It's got some damage to the radiator because it hit something, but I'm gonna see if it just needs a replacement or if something needs to be bent back to actually fit the new radiator in. Out here close to Love Field, heading to check out a Mercedes. I had a customer, I think he hit something and it cracked the radiator, so it needs to be replaced. But I'm gonna make sure that I don't have to bend anything back, or it may require some kind of body work or something before it actually gets worked on. Sometimes stuff don't look bad, but it might actually be really bad. This old girl. Ooh, maybe. It's a nice one too. This is a E430. It's a classic. Yeah. E430.
What's going on, man? You alright?
Pretty good.
I didn't know you was here already.
Yeah, I just pulled up.
You got it.
Oh. About to make you lose that ankle. Okay.
I meant to tell you that. I thought I was gonna beat you home.
See what's going on with it. Yeah, I stopped cutting my hair, I want to say 2018.
Really?
Yeah. I just been good.
I'm finna cut mine.
Oh, you getting tired of it?
Hell yeah. And then I'm getting thin. Like I'm filthy. It's just a lot of work.
Oh, yeah.
So, the trailer hit this right here. Well, actually, it hit our regular too.
Yeah.
And it pushed. It was like a 7-car pileup.
Oh, snap.
And when I tapped it, and he kept going, I'm thinking, shit.
Yeah, he was like, not my
Didn't
problem.
touch it. I mean, well, he didn't feel it. And my car was running, then all of a sudden, I heard something go, pfft,
Mm-hmm.
and then it started smoking, but it's stuff leaked out. And I got some water in here, but this is going to run straight out the bottom.
Yeah, if it runs straight out the bottom, it's definitely
Show
the...
you
Yeah. Let me see if I can see where it's coming from.
I thought I had some water in here. Let me run and get it. I'm right upstairs.
Okay. If not, I do. I think I have some.
You got some?
I think I do. Little shum.
It's enough in there?
Yeah, should be enough.
And see, I think the thing that protect the motor up under, I think this is the water is dripping in there, but it's coming out the hole at the bottom.
All right. So far, figured out what the damage was. It's this right here, and then it's kind of making it lean back. And it also caused some damage to the belt. It pushed this radiator against the fan, caused the belt to really just disintegrate. So it's gonna need another belt, and then the fan is damaged also. It's kind of belt driven. This one is seized. So if this one turns on, the one that actually has the belt, is going to burn out this belt. So this fan has to be replaced. It's kind of over engineered too. It's very silly. Transmission line bent up. That's going to have to be replaced. I got this headlight out a little bit. Make it look presentable. Definitely the radiator, and trying to see how I can get it lined back up without needing a body shop. And besides, this is a really nice car. It reminds me of something from Belly. I think that's the one. Yeah, this old radiator has to come out. Water pump replaced, new drive belt, and maybe a new radiator fan too. because it's not turning at all. But I think I would be able to just replace this one. Let me see. Yeah, maybe. It did quite a bit of damage actually. That's one piece of it, so it's not even turning by itself. So I'm gonna replace one of these fans. Gonna need transmission line, a new radiator, new water pump, new fan clutch. See how it's kind of wobbly. It's not turning at all. Look at that radiator. Yeah, that's the bare minimum to get it going reliably without having any issues. We need pretty much all of them Johns. The water pump. This is the damage from the radiator. Look at that. It must have just exploded. That's what it seemed like. Alright, now we head into the next one. Got a flight attendant client that lives around here.